Good morning, class. It's Friday, April 17th, and we're going to be doing our calendar and our number of the day today for the number 27. Grab your yellow duotang and join me for your calendar time. Remember, we're halfway through April, so you should be halfway through coloring your picture if you're not already done. Flipping into our days of the week, we need to put a number 17 right here. And we can look at what some of our special days were. Counting ahead, we can do some math to find out that 1 plus 7 takes us to 8 days until Max's birthday. 17 until Ramadan is both on a Friday, 1 week away from each other, so we know automatically that is 7 days. We know Good Friday, which was a week ago on Friday, was 7 days ago. And we know that Emerson's birthday was 2 weeks ago on Friday, so that's 7 plus 7 to make 14 days ago was Emerson's birthday. So we can use the 7s that we know are from Sunday to Saturday. Each week is 7 days long to help us calculate how long till special events. We are not going to do Saturday and Sunday until we get back to school on Monday. We have a full week next week. We are going to do some special events for Earth Day, and we're also going to be starting our measurement unit with length, and we'll need those May math booklets that we delivered around, but not until the Tuesday. So I'll talk more about that at our Google Meets. Today we have a Google Meets lesson at 9:30. It's an optional visit. You can come and join us with a show and share object that you'd like to take a couple of minutes to share with your class. So you can tell us 3 things about anything you want in your house. Maybe you got something special at Easter. My forecast for today says that Friday is going to be rainy, so I'm putting in a rainy day. And that means on my graph that I need a nice blue crayon for my rainy day. And if you get up in the morning and look outside and discover it's not a rainy day, you go right ahead and make it the weather that you see in the morning. Maybe it'll just be cloudy when you look outside, but the forecast says it's going to rain today. You can tell very easily that I already have the most days I have are cloudy with some sun. The next are sunny days, and the least number of days that I have so far in my calendar in April is windy days. But I remember there was one day that was very windy, and I wrote it was sunny because it was sunny and windy, and you might have a windy day. We have one snowy day, and you might have one snowy day as well. Flip right over to our number of the day, and today we're going to be doing number 27. Start with the date at the top of your page, Friday, April 17th, and our number goes in the star. It's 27. Make sure you aim your numbers the correct direction and you don't write any backwards, and make sure your 7's not too sharp. We don't want our 7's to look like this, because that's another mathematical sign, which means greater than. Is 27 even or odd? Can I get there by counting by 2s? One of the tricks I'm going to show you today is you don't have to count by 2s all the way up to 27 to figure it out. You just need to look at the ones column. The ones column will tell us whether or not a number is even or odd. Remember, our numbers in the ones column always repeat with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So we only need to know, is that number even or odd? And then no matter how many 10s there are, it will tell us if the whole number is even or odd. So is 7 even or odd? Well, can I get there by counting by 2s, starting at 2? And is it the answer to a double question? So is there any double addition question that equals 7? And we know the answer is no. Can I get there counting by 2? 2, 4, 6, 8. I don't. I skip right over it, which means that my number, anytime it ends with a 7, could be 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97. They're all going to be odd. We want to have 2 addition questions. and one subtraction question. But remember, you can add some extra subtraction questions here or here or here if you want to do some more or show how many ways you could make 27. I always like to do my 10 frames first because it helps me to come up with my equations. It's a nice visual for that. I need 20 because my number is 27, and then I need 7 more. So I can easily tell one of my first equations could be 20 plus 7. So I'm going to use that one, and that equals 27. And another equation I could use using my 10 frames is if I do this one separately. Then I have 17 plus 10. And 17 plus 10 is 27. I can subtract. I have some empty boxes up here. If I imagine that there would be 30 full, how many are empty to get me to 27? Then I can say 30 minus these 3 empties equals 27. In tally marks, I'm going to be looking at groups of 5. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 5, and then 2 more. So that's what I need for my tally marks. 5 groups of 5, 4 down and 1 across to group it. And then 2 more to show me 27. If I want to count up, 27 plus 1 is 28. And 1 less is 27 minus 1, which is 26. Still no hundreds in our chart today. The tens column is right here with 2 tens. We can show that with our 10 frames. How many more? Well, there's 7 more. So the ones column shows the 7 right here and here. Nice job, my friends. Have a great day, and I will see you later.